Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Temu dropshipping on Shopify. So first of all, make sure that your Temu and your Shopify is fully updated to the latest version, right? And make sure that you find the Shopify on your iPhone if there is one, and basically double check if the app is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll a little bit down. If you want to drop ship from Temu to Shopify, just go ahead and go ahead to the more action menu and ensuring optimal alignment with your brand aesthetics. By following these steps, you can efficiently start dropshipping Temu products on your Shopify store using the DSource app and AliExpress as a Temu dropshipping apps. Okay, and if you want to set it up, just go ahead and choose your dropshipping product line and create your Shopify account. Select the print on a demand supplier and then design your product, customize your Shopify store, add to your products to your store, and launch and manage your online store, and then market your dropshipping store. So basically that's it. Let's wait on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.